In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can utilize slides from a PowerPoint presentation within any platform on the BRAVOZONE. It could be a game, it could be Whirl, it could be Tally. Let me show you. I'm going to go over here to my first question. And you notice I have this slide, and this is created 100% in PowerPoint. The advantage of this is, A, it allows me to repurpose existing content. 2, it gives me a little more flexibility in how images appear with text. And 3, it's easy to do. And then I go to the question, and this question within itself has some additional teaching points in it, and wrong answers are a great opportunity for me to drive home my teaching point. And then we'll go to summary, and I have an additional teaching point here that I'm really going to drive home. In a lot of ways, how I'm using a game isn't much unlike how I use PowerPoint, but I have an extra powerful medium here, and that's really using the game format to make it much more interactive. Let's jump into PowerPoint real quick and show you how to do this. So here's that PowerPoint presentation. To save this slide so it can be utilized in the game is simply just creating an image out of it. I'm going to go File, Save As. By default, once it's saved as a PowerPoint presentation, we're going to drop down menu here and look for a JPEG and give it a unique name. Click Save. And it's going to ask me which slides do you want to export. I just want the slide that was visible. And we're done. So I'm here in the game builder. I'm going to click on this first question, which I already have entered. All I'm going to do now is add that slide to my preview. Click on Add Media. Click to upload. Click on the image I want. And do the same with the summary. And there you go. Very easy to repurpose or create content using PowerPoint. Well, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact us, but look forward to more videos like this on best practices. Until the next time, hope you always find unique ways to make your training more engaging. Take care.